See that wall bowing inward? That's not settling, it's your basement losing a fight against soil pressure. Carbon fiber straps run $4,000 to $12,000. Steel anchors, $5,000 to $15,000. Here's how to know exactly how urgent your situation is and what to do about it. Look for these signs: a visible inward curve or belly in the wall, horizontal cracks along mortar joints, usually about 1/3 up from the floor, a gap behind a straightedge held against the wall, and white mineral deposits or water staining at the base. If you see 2 or more of these, you're dealing with active lateral pressure. Here's what's happening underground. Rain saturates the backfill soil around your foundation. Clay soils with a plasticity index of 35 to 70 actually swell when wet, pushing horizontally against your wall. The wall bends at its weakest point, roughly 1/3 up from the base. And here's the critical part: wet-dry cycles make it worse every season. When soil dries, it shrinks, but your wall doesn't spring back. Next rain pushes it further in. This ratcheting effect means a wall that bows today will bow more tomorrow. The soil pressure that caused the bow is still there. Measuring your bow costs nothing. Hold a 4-foot or 8-foot straightedge vertically against the wall at the point of maximum curvature. Measure the gap at the widest point. Record monthly at the same location. Consistency matters more than precision. Under 2 inches of bow, carbon fiber straps can stabilize the wall. They deliver 234.7 KSI tensile strength, enough to halt further movement. But they cannot push the wall back to its original position. They stabilize only. Cost runs $4,000 to $12,000. Over 2 inches, you'll need steel wall anchors. These are the only option that can actually straighten your wall. They get tightened annually over 1 to 2 years, gradually correcting the bow. Cost is $5,000 to $15,000 or $500 to $1,000 per anchor. Let's compare the numbers. Carbon fiber straps, $4,000 to $12,000. Steel wall anchors, $5,000 to $15,000. And don't forget the structural engineer assessment, $300 to $780. That one assessment tells you which option fits, or if you need neither. But here's what most people miss: a poured concrete wall with a single hairline vertical crack, not horizontal, no measurable inward deflection, and no water intrusion. That's likely a shrinkage crack from curring, not structural bowing. If a straightedge sits flush, your wall isn't bowing. Monitor twice yearly. Not sure how serious your wall bow is? Get a free inspection, link in the description. Subscribe for more foundation guides backed by real data, not contractor sales pitches. FoundationRepairHQ.com